Greetings, gadget enthusiasts. You're here because you're curious about the latest addition to Google's smartphone family, the Google Pixel 9. This sleek piece of technology is more than just a pretty face. With a host of standout features and top-notch performance, it's a worthy contender in the cutthroat smartphone market. From its sublime camera capabilities to its impressive battery life, the Google Pixel 9 is set to redefine your smartphone experience. Please, if have not subscribed to our channel, then do, and by doing so, you are supporting us in creating more tech content like this. So, stay with us to find out why the Google Pixel 9 is a gadget worth your attention. First impressions matter, and the Google Pixel 9 certainly knows how to make one. With a refined design that's both sleek and sturdy, this phone commands attention. It's a device of considerable size, yet remarkably lightweight, thanks to the high-grade aluminum and Gorilla Glass used in its construction. Now, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 9 boasts a generous 6.1-inch display and an edge-to-edge screen that offering ample real estate for all your browsing and streaming needs. But it's not just about size. With a resolution that's nothing short of stellar, every detail is crisp and clear. And the technology behind it? Well, it's powered by OLED, which means deep blacks, vibrant colors, and impressive contrast ratios. Whether you're editing photos or catching up on your favorite shows, the Pixel 9 offers a viewing experience that's truly immersive. The Google Pixel 9 doesn't just look good, it feels good in your hand and offers a viewing experience like no other. A smartphone's performance can make or break your experience, and the Google Pixel 9 is built to impress. Its heart beats with a powerhouse chipset that ensures smooth multitasking in gaming. Accompanying this is an ample amount of 8 GB RAM, offering seamless app transitions and ensuring that your device can keep up with your pace, no matter how fast. Storage options are aplenty, with it 128 GB internal storage. Whether you're an avid photographer or an app hoarder, the Google Pixel 9 has got you covered. The phone runs on the latest Android operating system, opening up a world of unique features and functions that enhance your smartphone experience. Let's not forget about battery life, an aspect where the Google Pixel 9 really shines. It's engineered to last you through the day and then some, so you can stay connected without constantly hunting for a power outlet. With the Google Pixel 9, you're not just getting a powerful smartphone, you're getting a reliable companion that won't let you down. What's a smartphone without a great camera? The Google Pixel 9 is ready to capture your best moments. Let's delve into the camera setup of this remarkable device. It boasts a primary lens that packs a punch, promising sharp, detailed images in any lighting condition. The secondary ultra-wide lens lets you capture more of the world, perfect for those breathtaking landscapes or group shots. And let's not forget the telephoto lens, which brings distant subjects closer with crystal clarity. But the Pixel 9 doesn't stop at hardware. Google's computational photography takes the spotlight, combining multiple exposures for dynamic range, using machine learning to optimize every shot, and even offering astrophotography for capturing the stars. The video capabilities are equally impressive, with 4K recording, steady stabilization, and cinematic pan features that make every video look professional. Now, what else sets the Google Pixel 9 apart? It's the additional features that truly make this phone a standout. There's the Now Playing feature, identifying songs playing around you automatically. The phone also offers a robust security suite, including a Titan M security chip and 3 years of security updates to keep your information safe. Finally, the Pixel 9 introduces Live Translate, a feature that provides real-time translation in video calls, making communication across language barriers easier than ever. From capturing your memories to making your life easier, the Google Pixel 9 has you covered. Now that we've delved into the Google Pixel 9's features, let's summarize what we've learned. The Google Pixel 9 shines with its striking design, boasting a sleek build and an immersive display that is sure to capture your attention. But it's not just about looks. This device performs as good as it looks, with an impressive battery life that keeps you going all day. Let's not forget the camera. A standout feature of the Google Pixel 9, it's set to take your photography game to a whole new level. Coupled with a host of additional features, this smartphone truly embodies the marriage of style and functionality. So that's your quick recap. A phone with a stunning design, an immersive display, robust performance, enduring battery life, and a top-notch camera. That's the Google Pixel 9 for you, a smartphone that marries style, performance, and practicality. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more gadget insights.